Auxiliary heat, 68. Doing the same thing again. Stuck in auxiliary heat mode. Let me go out there really quick. Amy, off the computer, watch the baby.
Okay.
Yep, compressor's not even running. I can hear the blower motor running. Dead silent in there. Not turning. Compressor's off. And we're running in auxiliary heat. Definitely no compressors running. It's dead silent, but I can hear the blower because I can feel that inside. Just like last time. Stuck auxiliary heat running. No fan running again. This unit's a big piece of shit. Costing us a fortune. Oh, good. But look, auxiliary heat went off. Heat mode goes on. No unit running. No compressor running. It's now going to draw cold air in because the compressor's not even running. Today's the day after Thanksgiving. Or wait. Saturday, November 26th, 8:38 a.m. We got home from our trip and it was doing the same thing. It was doing the same thing. 8:40. Now it's just gonna draw cold air. It's gonna bring, yep. It's still warm from the auxiliary, but it's gonna be drawing cold air in, forcing it into auxiliary mode. The fan doesn't turn, the compressor's off. Same exact problem. It did this yesterday. It was stuck in auxiliary when we got home from our trip. I just had to shut it down. And then I turned it back on and it was working again. Same exact problem. Heat on. Once those coils get cold from having, yeah, now it's getting cool. It's getting much cooler. Unbelievable. The only way to correct it is to shut the stupid unit down, let it chill out, and then the compressor will run again. And then the fan will turn on. Unbelievable.